Remember when they hate, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you, and you didn't fall through. Now you hit yourself and look at me, look at me. You made
it. And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Aight, so what are we getting into today? So today is the day that we go pick up the SC300. So I'm about to be on the road all day today, but today we're picking up the SC, taking it to the shop, and we're gonna be getting this thing pretty much the final wiring done and getting it ready to hit the dyno. Dyno appointment is scheduled, so SC's about to be coming back, finally about to get ready to make some power. But yeah, man, with all that being said, let's get ready to yeah. So with all that being said, let's get ready to head to Rick's. My boy's letting me use a trailer again. Shout out to Rick. Thank you for letting me borrow your trailer once again. All right, so we just getting here. Loud ass coyote. I know, Rick trying to get me to buy this thing. Clapped out slick top. I should buy it and save it.
Carrier straight.
This motherfucker roof rusty as hell. Man. I don't know. He gotta come down on his price. He's smoking. Fender's whooped.
Hey, that one just happened too.
And it's missing this trim. You know how much this fucking trim is?
I have no idea.
For these two, $400. Yeah, it's like $450 for the top trim.
Why?
They're just expensive. This is broken. Interior not too bad. A little rip on the driver's seat, but that ain't shit. Headliner looks good. That's not too bad. Man, I was stupid. I should have kept mine, bruh. Mine had all the suede interior and everything. This got the cloth.
Right, now you can do it again, but it's bigger.
Nah, it's gonna be hella hard to find suede interior, like OEM clean suede. Hi peeps, we just getting here. It's my man Jace. Look at that, we got the metal nigga here. The metal nigga, my nigga Cubando. Let's go say what's up to everybody. Go get this SC. Oh, matter of fact, there go the SC right there. Look at little baby. Before we go in, let's go walk around this thing. You know what I'm saying? Let's go walk around, little baby. Little baby, look at her. Cleaned her up. Did like a rush primer job on here. Don't worry. This is not the final thing. Y'all already know it's gonna be coming back here, getting fully redone and cleaned up. But yeah. For those that aren't familiar, this is your boy's fastest car. Might not look like it, but this is the cream of the crop for the channel. Ooh, the almighty 2JZ, baby. Look, this is the good booth right here. This is the one they don't let Jay in. Cubando! The metal nigga.
What's up, Bert?
What's cracking?
What you doing over here?
Picking up my SC?
Oh, okay. You tuning it today?
Nah, I'm taking it to the shop so they can finish it up.
Oh, okay.
Then we're gonna be tuning it. More metal work?
Yeah, finishing the floors. Oh, there was half of the floor and the rest of it was all routed out. But this shit was,
Yeah, now my man ain't gonna be Flintstoning it, huh?
no, you got the Flintstone in the center.
Let's put the seat right in the middle.
Yeah, no, this shit was a fucking disaster.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah,
This is coming together good.
yeah, it's good. The
Tell
next
them
thing-
to go ahead and take it down to sandblasting so you can find more rust.
Oh, you don't want to do that. He already paid for the primer, he can't do that. Yeah, no, he had a he had all this whole corner had to get reconstructed and shit. Hella extra parts we had to buy, but now that it's here, we're gonna put it on the body or put it on the frame with the tranny and everything, so we can build a tunnel for it.
We got my boy, Jay the Painter.
2200 horsepower.
Jay the Painter.
You know.
All right, let's get this thing set up, get the ramps out, and then we're gonna pull a little baby on up on here and get a body. Long ass day of driving for me. Go ahead. One more time. Go ahead. Hold on. Go ahead. Alright man, we are on the road, SC back there, and we're in traffic. And obviously since we got a big ass truck, everyone wants to try to jump in front of us. We ain't doing that, fuck that. Just stupid ass back there. So I'm just getting here to Santa Rosa. Man, I'm getting pretty good at this trailer thing, man. You know what I'm saying? Bust a little U-turn right here. I had to figure him out, but managed to get it done. So I'm about to get this thing unloaded. I also got a call saying the truck is ready to go. So I gotta pick up the truck too. So luckily I got the trailer, but maybe I'll possibly do that. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow we'll go pick up the Silverado. But let's get the SC unloaded. Ah, come on. All right, unload it. Better start up, you dirty little whore. Your jumpers suck, bruh. Today we're gonna pick up the Silverado. It is all done. I'm gonna show y'all all the new goodness that went on this thing. This is gonna be weird, picking up a truck in my truck. I've never towed a truck, like trailer truck. I'm new to this whole trailering thing, man. Gotta, you know what I'm saying? Gotta get used to it. Back on the road bright and early. It's about 9 o'clock right now. We're about to be going to Modesto. That is an hour and 50-minute drive. And another 3 hours to get to Bethos from Modesto. So yeah, today is gonna be another full pack day of Mike on the road and towing shit. But man, I know y'all been waiting for the Silverado. A lot of y'all love the truck content, so the truck is about to be coming back nastier than ever this go around. So y'all got something to look forward to. The truck is gonna be pretty quick, bruh. Also, for everybody that tuned into the Street Alpha podcast, man, much love to y'all. Thank y'all. Looking through the comments, there's nothing but positive love on there. I really appreciate that, man. It just shows like how much people really, you know, fuck with me and stuff. So appreciate y'all, man. I love y'all greatly. You guys know that I'm not a podcast type of person. I've always turned down, let me turn this down before we get hit with a copyright strike. I've always turned down podcasts, never really been interested in them, but I figured y'all would want to see a podcast, you know, get to know me a little bit better, and I feel like the Street Alpha podcast is probably one of the best, like, you know, like, I feel like the Street Alpha podcast is like, it's like a vibe, man. Like, it didn't feel like we were doing a podcast. I feel like we were there just really chilling and vibing. So, I'm kind of glad I did it, man. After almost 2 hours of driving, we here. Ah, man, now you know I was gonna help y'all push. How you doing? How you doing, man?
All right, man. All right.
Let's go back. All right, we can leave it right here for now. I'm gonna set the ramps up. All right, man, it's the wiring expert right here that done blessed us.
I don't know about that, but you tell me.
It looks good.
Yeah, you tell me.
Man, it was hella shit right here before.
I asked my son, what do you think? And he's just like, oh, the rat's nest is gone.
Man. Dude, this is way better. It was like a bundle of stuff right here. I didn't even know this. You can get to the shock.
Yep. Should be able to service it, get up in it, in and out of it. All the wires are all jacked up that were here. They're all replaced.
Dude, this looks good.
Extended a lot of the stuff. You can still get to here. If you have to get in here, you can just unclip this and it'll pop right up. If you have to get under there, but most of your fuses and all that are all under here. And
God.
Cleaned up for the fog lights, for the transcooler, all that other stuff. Your relays for your fans are all the way down here.
Okay.
Still get to it.
Yeah, it looks good.
Cool.
Yep, Bethel's gonna be getting rid of this manual boost controller and then running the lines towards the back. So
I know I put the other computer in. I got your old computer. Jason went through.
Put a new map on it.
Yeah, but it seems like it runs rough. But according to Beto, it's because he did all this other stuff too, and he said that he hadn't tuned it yet.
Yeah.
So.
Woo.
I'm surprised how tame it sounds.
It's quiet.
Yeah, it's quiet, man.
Little street truck. That way, you know, you don't get pulled over. Police don't even look at it. Everybody else stuff loud, or the wastegates are all recirculated in. So
yeah, no doubt. I was kind of surprised. I was like, oh man, it sounds good.
Yeah, I want it to be full streetable. Yeah. Just
then I was on Marketplace. I was like, wait a minute. Who's selling rims? That car looks like the car I got in front of the house.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm selling my old wheels off this thing.
Yeah.
Bruh. I'm getting ready to load this thing up and the fucking ramp is missing. Somebody stole the fucking ramp. Are you kidding me? I'm hella mad. This is some bullshit right here. All right, man, we got the truck all loaded up. Luckily, we were able to finesse it with these spare ramps he had. So hopefully when we get to Bethel's gonna have some ramps. I have no clue what happened. Literally when I had left yesterday, I know for sure I had clamped it because I put the ramps in after I was done with the SE. But motherfucker gone. That sucks. Now I gotta buy Rick a new ramp. But 2 hour and 30 minute or 2 hour and 40 minute drive to get to Bethel's. So we're about to head out. Let's get back on the road. Bruh, it's the longest ride of my life. Oh damn, my valence got ripped all off. Maybe I shouldn't have put the winch through there, but whatever. What's cracking?
What's up?
I know, I ripped my valence off.
Come on, man. We'll fix it.
I was about to say, now it's another thing you gotta fix.
Oh, good. I got you.
There we go.
You're good.
Look at my valence. It's all good though. Work truck.
I didn't know you were a part-time tow truck driver.
Hey man, you know, it's my new profession. And that wasn't too bad. Definitely need these ramps though.
Yeah.
I think these ones are a little longer than the last ones that were on there. This motherfucker's still rolling.
Yeah, well, you don't have...
Oh yeah.
You don't have park brake or rear end.
My shit's a neutral, so I'm putting one of these little baby rocks behind it.
That won't go nowhere.
There we go.
Yeah, no, that shit looks wet, bro. Even fucking wheel speed wiring, everything.
Bruh, this.
He did a real good job.
All this shit that was right here.
Yeah. Just wait. Now it deserves like a braided booster hose and all this shit.
I have the other AC thing and everything too.
Yeah.
So I'll bring that. I gotta order those other fittings and stuff that you told me for the rear end. Mm-hmm. And then I'll bring all that all at once. So that'll be here next week.
Nah, that shit looks wet, bro. I'm actually, well, you already know. A couple weeks, whenever he's ready, I'm gonna take mine. This looks good.
It does.
Oh yeah.
Black on black.
Yeah, we took all the catch can lines from the back now, run them nice on the firewall. And then the regulator, I hate this fucking regulator.
We can swap it.
It actually, last time I was here, it leaked from the diaphragm. We had to retighten it all. I'd throw a 4-1. Or any other regulator. I got regulators. We can, but I'm gonna put it on the rail on that side, so it's not on here. It'll look way cleaner. I took all the fuel lines.
I know. Just make sure my AC works.
Fuck. Yeah. Make sure it doesn't leak again with all the custom bullshit.
Oh yeah. This is all
What do
leaking.
you do with the downpipe?
Man, if it works with the other AC stuff,
Oh, it don't.
You don't think so?
It definitely don't.
With the new stuff that you had me order?
It don't.
How you know?
Because we already tried it. The stock can. He moved the can that way.
Well, who do you know can do a downpipe?
Anybody, my exhaust guy.
All right, if you want to have him redo it, that's fine.
Yeah, and I mean, you shouldn't have to relocate the shit on the car to make it fit the turbo kit.
Yeah.
You make the turbo kit fit the car. No, look how fucking clean it looks now. I like it. A little wipe down on the engine.
Should we keep the 3.5, or do you think we should do a 4-inch all the way in here?
Let's do 4.
Yeah.
So it'll V up to a 4.
All right.
Cone go up to a 4.
That way, when it comes time to
and then
do the rest,
you really could say you'll have 0 restriction issues.
I mean, does he can do a full exhaust?
Yeah, you ain't seen my trucks?
Can I just have him can we just do a full 4-inch?
All the way.
Yeah.
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 He'll still be able to.
All the fucking way out there, you're gonna be like 2 bands and oh, you already know what it costs. Why am I tripping?
Yeah.
It's Mike. No, he'll do a really good job. He does all my trucks.
Do you think this is a restriction or no? 3.5?
At 8, probably it might be. I'm not sure. We've never ran 3. Most of my guys.
What's 3.5? It's 3.5 all the way back.
I would say no, but 3.5 material is kind of harder to get probably than 4-inch.
I mean, fuck it. Let's have him redo the downpipe. Let's try that and see what it does.
Okay.
Like I'm already like,
Yeah.
I'm happy
You know
with
what
it. I
I'm
just
gonna
wanted
have
it to look
I'm
good.
gonna redo the downpipe and make sure there's no stress on the piping.
Yeah.
There shouldn't be any stress on it. I should be able to pull that bitch on and put it in like 20-30 minutes. Oh yeah, and your wastegate's fucking hitting the frame, so we'll make them the little
Redo
dumps.
the dump.
Fix the dumps.
Dude, he kind of got it going in all stupid. It goes right back in straight. Like it should be going back into like a 45.
Yeah, it shouldn't be like that. I'll have him clean all that up.
All right, my peoples, we are back home finally. I'm tired as hell. I don't even really want to do an outro, man. Till next time, I'm about to go in here and eat for the first time today. Y'all can still see me.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady speed.